Yo, yo, yo. What up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon. Let me get my screen fixed. All right, cool. What up, guys? Hello, 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 hello. Yes, been a great week, or last week. Nice detox from the market. Pre-market, same thing, came back. Normal thing that I do. Came back 4 out of 4, or well, one was red trade, but I didn't take it. 4 out of 5, I guess. In the Discord that I gave this morning, which was fantastic. So I hit my daily goal pretty early. It literally took me, I think, like 15 minutes. Not even. VRAX ran like, I think 100% since when I mentioned this morning. Anyways, let's catch up on some Twitter stuff. You guys can post any tickets and so on. You guys know the deal. Any questions? And then I'll get back to you once I get done with the usual Twitter stuff. If you guys also do me a favor, just report that guy that's literally copying my stuff. Very sad people we have nowadays on the internet. I don't know what he's gaining from it, but yeah, very, very sad. Just please report it. I don't know the name. You're just gonna have to scroll through my thing. If you can do so, please. Right, Life W is bearish. ALTS holding above VWAP, 5%. SMGO. Isn't it SGMO? I think it's SGMO. Yeah, the setup looks good. I can see that this is in a falling wedge before even drawing it, because I do this for the last 4 years, knowing what a falling wedge looks like before it even is drawn out. So we have here, yeah, we just have a falling wedge setup on this. So SGMO, falling wedge setup. Falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge. Could you please do one for RDHL? RDHL. Also, like up the stream, guys. Like it up. Like it up. 0.45. Yeah, nothing on this. This is nothing unless 0.45. I can wait for this. RDHL needs 0.45 break above. VRM. VRM's up 3%. Wow, very bullish chart on this. I mean, your next resistance level is around here, 980. So mark 980 as your resistance like this. So that's very easy to do, like that. The colors are just specific to what I do. It doesn't mean anything technically speaking, right? Like you can choose any color you want. I've just chosen this color and I've just stuck with it, right? So yeah, because someone else uses a yellow line instead of a blue line, it doesn't mean anything, all right? We have, this is VRM, needs 980 break. 980 break. I'll get your questions now, guys. Yes, I do see ALZN. You can see it here on the top left-hand side of my screen. You can see it there. It is ALZN. Oh shit, my screen's frozen. My bad, my bad. Give me a sec. Remove. Oops, oops. That's my bad. There we go. Oops, oops, oops. My bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah, there we go. Wait, can you see it now? Oh, no, wait. It should refresh now. My bad. You should be good now. Got it? Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, ALZN's on the top left-hand side. My bad, my bad, my bad. TNXP, nothing. I would avoid TNXP. I'm not even going to post it on my Twitter because it's a pump and dump play. It never really does well. Guys, I also noticed there's even more bots than before. Like I took a whole week off and now literally every single post I put, there's like 15 comments under my posts. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about it. I don't really know. It's kind of annoying. I don't really know what else I can do to stop it. But if anyone has any recommendations, let me know because it is quite annoying. But you guys are all very smart people, so I know you won't go and join those stupid telegrams or whatever the hell they're promoting, you know. So yeah, needs 136 break. All right, let me see. 82. Is the screen working now? Yeah, okay, cool. ALZN, downtrend break, 3. All right, cool. I'm all caught up. VRAX. Where's VRAX? VRAX is here. I don't know. VRAX is weird. It's coming down. It needs a huge pullback. Here's your downtrend. VRAX. Wait for downtrend break. Right. Okay, let me go through everyone's stuff on YouTube here. So, like up the stream. How many we got? We got 9 likes, 12 likes. Come on, guys. You have 60 people in here. We get to at least 50 likes. It's free to do so. Sorry, guys. I fixed it. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. All right, cool. Yo, yo, yo. Have a great week. Yes, everything was great. Fantastic. Nice little break. APDN, I don't know why everyone's going on about this stock, but for me, the stock is still bearish. If you're trying to look for an entry, wait for a candle closure above, I would say $2. Then you can push to the upside, but trying to enter now is not a good idea. A bit ago read to ALZN. Yes, ALZN's right here, yeah. It's very bullish. But for me to buy a stock right now, I just think about this logically. And even if I just started trading today and I've never looked at a chart in my life, if I'm going to buy at the highest point of the day, that's probably where you're going to lose the most amount of money because you're chasing, you're FOMOing. This is your old routine that you're used to sticking to. Cut it out, stop doing it, wait for a pullback. That's all I can tell you. These are your next levels. It doesn't mean I'll get there, but I'm going to be honest with you. Stop trying to buy at the top of a stock. You're chasing and FOMOing. Don't do it. Stop, stop, stop. Hoth, there was nothing on Hoth. I think I did it. Did I do Hoth? Yeah, Hoth has no volume on the 5 minutes, so I can show you that even on here. Yeah, lack of volume. I don't know what's going on with this. Maybe there's a slight push up to the uptrend here, but if you are looking for a higher risk entry, I would wait for 0.77 because you have this break, then you have clean range all the way up. So for me, nothing. I don't know anything about the stock fundamentally, so that is something different. Thanks, guys, for reporting. Thank you, thank you. Maxin. Yeah, Maxin's breaking downtrend. It's here. Looks good, but I don't care about this stuff. I know that a lot of people like watching this play. VXRT. VXRT. VXRT at the moment, it's not my kind of play. If I was looking for an entry, it's very simple and easy to look at this chart. There is no volume, whereas the highest point of the day, I would wait for a break above this level. If it breaks above here, it should continue to go up. But right now, I wouldn't be buying it. It's in no man's land. Just leave it alone. ALZN, yeah. Yeah, I fixed my screen up. SLXN, this was pre-market move and then it just died off. I don't know if it's come back alive. Yeah, nothing on this personally. Maybe 266 or see if it can hold $2 into open. So I use blue as my psychological level. Psychological level is just a stronger area of support. So you can see here we have $2. Maybe it'd be good buys here if you wanted to take some. Look for a quick, I don't know, 3 to 5%. See what happens. Seeing the same thing. Yeah. Everyone's okay, cool. No, it's my I forgot to refresh my thing. Afternoon, Andrew, brother. ZAPP. Whilst I was away, I just was adding the top gainers and the runners each day to my watch list. So then I had them ready for next week, and then just kind of made a watch list from that. But I know the monkeypox plays ran and all that. GOVX. I didn't trade at all, actually. Yeah, Zap at the moment, you can see it for yourself here, very bearish right now. So Zap, currently bearish. So if you don't know what to do in this situation, I will tell you a very easy thing to do. Wait for the trend line to break. Candle must close above like that, then look for your entry. Don't try and enter now, it's not a good idea. AEMD broke out. Let's see, yeah, looks nice. If this closes like this, I would say if it closes above, if the candle closes above, in 10 seconds, you could look for your entry. I won't be taking it though, but yeah, volume is coming in. Candle closure above here in 5 seconds, then you can look. CMND, yeah, I didn't even trade CMND. I just gave it as a setup, but yeah, there's nothing on this. Nothing on this. There's no volume, but yeah, nothing on right now. I don't know how you're able to relax all the background as you're away if you're attempting a straight trade. I guess just discipline. I've been like trading for like 4 years, basically non-stop. I haven't really had a holiday, so it was nice just to take a break from it. But yeah, ALZN's right here. These are your levels. I don't see. Oh, from here. What's it at? $6. There's no gap fill that I see. Oh, here, yeah. From here, yeah, if it gets to $20, from $20 to 25. But right now, there's no gap fill at the moment. It needs to get to $20 still. AMD, yeah, AMD's here. AMD's here. GOVX. This is, I can't remember. Is this, I think this is monkeypox play? I think it is, right? But yeah, $10 is your psychological level. Look, blue line. That's what I have. So right now, look, this is what I would tell you. The easiest thing to do and to make yourself relaxed in the situation is don't get in now. No reason to get in now. If you get in now, you're gambling. Unless you got in way earlier last week, then fair enough. But this is a no trade zone. You're trying to buy a stock, right? That you are hoping, right? Your words are hoping that this stock will go up. There is no guarantee that this stock will go up. There is a 50-50 chance that this stock will go up, right? Unless you have some magical indicator that will tell you that this will break out, then fair enough. Please send it to me as well. But if you are trying to look for your entry, just wait for the closure above like this, let it retest, and then it'll push up. So you have, instead of it being a 50-50 chance entering here, closes above here, you have a 70-30% chance of it going up. That's how it is. So when you're trading, you are trying to make money and you are trying to what? Increase the odds and the probability of the stock going in your favor. So if you're doing an entry here, right, you are lowering your probability. If you're entering above here, you are higher probability the stock will go up. CING, this one was trash. Yeah, nothing for me, nothing on this. I don't really like trading stocks that are like over basically $10, but maybe it's looking all right. You have a demand zone around here. It's getting respected, so we'll see. I don't know what this sell-off was here. I don't think it was an offering because it probably would have gone a bit. Actually, no, it might have been. I don't know. I'm not too sure, but yeah, at the moment, look, what's happening with the stock is we're just ranging right here. Look, this is a range. So if a candle closes above, what is this level? 1720. Above 1720, then maybe you can consider some entries, but I wouldn't be trying to enter now. It's not worth entering now, to be honest. So I would put the demand zone like this. Demand zone. Here we go. There we go. So demand zone tapped into demand zone. I would wait for 1720. Actually, $17 break. Close above 17, then maybe you can look for an entry. Yeah, they are all monkeypox plays. Maxon, I've just done it. Maxon looks like it's breaking down trend here. If you want to look for entries, wait for this closure above here, above 1610. Closure above, then it should continue to go up. But I don't like to enter stock like this right now at this level. ALZN, what's happening with this? Yeah, nothing with this. This needs to come down. There was, yeah, there was an offering. I thought so. I thought so. Let me see what else is moving. Yeah, guys, there's only one Discord. Myself and Hassia are in the same Discord together. Tigerline Trading, that's it. We are not part of any other group. We're not part of any other Telegram, WhatsApp, any of that stuff. It's literally just the link in the bio. This is the only link, right? I get asked it every day, but I'm just going to post it here because I know most people do come and watch this. So that is the only link to the only Discord that we're in. IMNN looks pretty good. I personally would wait for a break above this 1.38. If a candle closes above 1.38 like that, you see this? Then that's good. So you get this closure above, then close above, then you should expect continuation there, and then there, then there, then there. You know? So that's what you can expect on that. What is the other one? We have hollow. People love hollow. I don't know what. There's a whole cult with this hollow trash stuff, to be honest. But yeah, the volume is coming in, but it's nothing for me personally. I don't know. People who go on about the same stock over and over again are literally just buying more and more of it every week, which is kind of sad. When you could have just been day trading and making your money elsewhere. Yeah, need 0.3333, break above. Luna. LUNR. Luna we have here. It's a nice trend, uptrend here. So we do this. So look, people always ask, this is a quick thing about support and resistance, right? Here is a support and resistance, right? Technically speaking, this is the correct way to do it. You must do it on the wicks like this, okay? But you can also, right? You can also go through the wicks and get more touches. Look, for example, we have 1 and 2 touch, right? The less amount of touches, the weaker the resistance. So look, we are trying to get as many touches as we can. Look, so we have 1 touch now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know now that this is probably a good area to buy rather than going all the way down here, right? So that makes sense. So same thing with this here. Instead of having your resistance over here, right, where the wick is, have your resistance here. So you have 1, 2, 3 touches. So 414 can be your entry, or you could try and enter now and hope that it breaks above. But hoping and praying isn't the way to trade. So just be cautious of that. But 414, maybe you could wait. You could try and enter now if you wanted to, but for me, I need to play something with volume. Because if it has volume, then I know for sure that there is a higher probability that the... Look, for instance, if this was a low volume play like this, right? Right here on this ascending triangle, there is a lower probability, right, that this will push up. But if you have high volume, there is a high probability that this will go up. So if this was ALZN in the same setup, ALZN would probably break above this. The fact that Luna doesn't have much volume, it probably won't break it, or it will take a longer time. That's all. So that's just a simple way to explain to you what's going on. You join. Let's go, Jose. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome, brother. Z-Car. Z-Car's nothing. Look, so this chart is very, I don't know, just choppy. Like there's nothing going on with the most recent price action right now. There's nothing. Look, we have this range like this, right? So we can see what is happening inside here is that the stock is going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So what we're waiting for is we can wait for a break above 0.213. Break above that, then you have a room up there. That's what I would wait for. RR, I did RR earlier. RR is looking good. I mean, this chart is bullish. You have a lot of room to the upside here. It's broke above resistance. Ideally, if you're trying to look for re-entries, let us see if it comes back to this resistance here. Pulls back and then pushes up. You get that, then you'll be all right. You know? Mirror. Yeah, mirror is disappointing. This one should have gone. Mirror, there's nothing on this. I don't really like all these wicks at the moment, but I don't know. I'm just updating this falling wedge. Personally, I do like this chart, but if I'm trying to enter this, I have to wait for $2. So that's what I would wait for. So mirror, I'm still expecting a breakout. So expecting breakout. If you enter now or you're in, just make sure you have a stop loss. Update on CMND. CMND, there's nothing. From what I saw last time, the volume wasn't there. Yeah, nothing on CMND. There is nothing at the moment. XPON. Let me have a look. XPON. I don't know. It's not my kind of chart. I don't like this chart. If I'm trying to consider anything, it would be literally above 10 cents. But this thing is currently 8 cents. So you can decide with that one. Neo, please. This company make lose a lot. Why are you in the stock if you're losing a lot on it? Just take your losses. Start having stop losses in your trades. It looks like it is reversing here, but yeah, start implementing a stop loss in your trading, and you will be a very, 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 very cool and calm and collected trader, because you know where your stop loss is, you know how much you're going to lose, and you know where your levels are. So I would wait for 415 break on Neo. Watch for 415 break. But guys, yeah, the thing is, I actually have a call with the members in 20 minutes regarding some stuff about some risk management and journaling and so on. So if you want to join there, you can. APDN, I'm assuming. APDN, nothing unless $2. If it gets above $2, maybe you can look for an entry, but trying to enter now, it's not my cup of tea. Or maybe above VWAP, you can look for it. Above VWAP. Yeah, SPRC is good. I gave this as a trade during pre-market. It's nice. I like it. No worries. Just honestly use it. The thing is, you need to decide what kind of trader you are. I understand some people have long-term investments, which is completely different to something where you're swing trading or day trading. That's what some people don't understand. When they're trading, they just think, oh, it has to go up, has to go up. Like if you're there for a long term, then you don't really care what the price of Tesla is right now, because you're holding it for whatever, 10, 15 years, I don't know, 5 years, whatever it is. Swing trading, you're holding for a couple of weeks. You buy the stock now, you hold for a couple of weeks. Day trading, you buy and sell in the same day. So you need to decide what you want to do. I would personally, if I was trading long term, I would have a long term portfolio. And then if I'm doing day trading, I have a day trading portfolio. That's how I would do it. But trying to mix and match your counts, you can't compound your gains like that as a day trader and long term and all that. Cousin, there wasn't really much. GOVX is still just ranging. Nothing for me on this yet. So we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see what's going on with this. ALZN still going? Yeah, ALZN's looking nice. IMNN, yeah, IMNN, you need to wait for 138 break. Close above 138, then you're fine. VRAX, in my opinion, this, I don't know if this will run, because, I mean, I gave it here in the Discord at 260 something, and it ran absolutely insane. No, not 260, sorry, I gave it down here at 245. I sold at 268. But yeah, I mean, right now, nothing to enter on this. I would just leave it. Let me move this. I would just focus on this right now. Current chart. These are all your demand zones. Here's a demand zone. Here's a demand zone. Last red candle there. Last red candle there. And then last red candle there. Zim, I mean, it's just pushing up. I'm not really interested in it, to be honest. So I'm just going to remove it since it is a higher priced stock. APDN, oh, there's over $1. GOVX, ALZN, yeah. ALZN's alright. As long as ALZN holds this level, it doesn't break below 640. And if it breaks above 724, then you can look for your entries. So if this candle goes above this candle and doesn't break this low, you could look for an entry. That's how I would look at it. TNXP, yeah, I'm not a fan of TNXP. I avoid this play at all costs. It's the biggest pump and dump stock that I know on the market with Maxon and co. But yeah, if you're trying to look for entries, maybe you can get 0.75 break, but just looking at the history of the stock, it's very clear, right? Look, pump and then dump, and then pump and then dump. Look, pump, dump, here, pump, dump, and then pump. And now let's see what it does do, but it doesn't hold its gains. There's no real uptrend right now. So for me, yeah, if you're trying to consider anything, I personally would wait for 0.75. Yeah, that's all I see on this. But for me, I'm not interested. But it is a top gainer. Yeah, 0.75 is your entry zone. Candle closure above, then hopefully it will continue to go up. Let me get this up. 1 second. Oh, here we go. Anything else moving? Anything awake? Yeah, ALZN's right. ALZN's probably the top play at the moment. I like IMNN. The reason is because it's making higher highs, higher lows, forming an uptrend, even a bullish pennant. We have found an area of support around here. What is this? Like 115. Yeah, so we're just finding this support level right now and we're starting to push up into open. So I'll probably be watching this one today, depending how it does. VRAX, yeah, this is probably gonna be a mover as well, but hopefully it doesn't hold so I can actually trade it. APDN, same one with this. There's a lot of hype over this, but for me, I'm not interested unless $2. So I'll just even keep this downtrend out of here. Closure above 2, then maybe. GOVX, same thing with this. There's going to be a big move on this position or this play because you are consolidating, right? Look, larger time frame, it can be even clear to you. Look what's happening. The stock is just ranging, right? Up, down, meaning there is a higher volume price or high probability that this is going to have a big move. There's a lot of buying and selling pressure. So yeah, 1163. I would wait for 1163 and then closure above there should be good. But trying to enter now is a gamble. ALTS, not interested. Lumen, I just got it on there because I trade that stock pretty well. AEMD, difficult one here. The volume needs to come. What are we looking at here? We need, yeah, it needs to hold. What is this? 0.45. SPRC is breaking out. Very nice. SPRC is looking good. I would keep this on watch if you like playing sub $1 plays. Oil, how's Indo and them doing? I didn't see any oil. So oil right now, we can just analyze what's going on with Indo because this is pretty much the top mover. We are near a demand zone. This is the last red candle before the move. So we go like this and we identify that this is a demand zone. Obviously this runs with the inverse of the market. So when the market is running, this stock comes down or oil comes down, you know? So that's kind of how it is. I'm going to go through this candle because I think this is just, yeah, it's 8 a.m. candle. So it's not actually there. It's a fake candle. No falling wedge because you can't do that, right? Like this is not a falling wedge. You cannot go through the candles, and having something like this, it's not enough. For me, I would like it to at least come down to here. So yeah, maybe you could say here's a falling wedge, but you can just keep it on watch because it's at a big significant level here at support on this demand zone. So keep this on watch. Keep this on watch. Oil play. So yeah, the way you would do this is I would see if it can just hold $3 into open and maybe it would start to push up. Yeah, looks good, looks good. I feel like ALZN gonna be the main runner today. Has the most volume like the news thing. Yeah. Yeah, right now ALZN has it has the volume, but it needs to pull back. Things up 200%. So it's a little too high right now. 1 second, what's going on here? Right, so we have anything else moving? RKLB, this one's trash from what I remember. Let me have a look. RKLB, yeah, RKLB, this one's up 5%. I think it's a longer term setup, yeah. I mean, this overall chart is very bullish. Like you can't not say that it's not. So 710 here, around here, break, continuation. But it looks good. Very nice setup. It'd be good for swings in my opinion. I just don't know anything fundamentally. I know it's just had news here I can see from this thing, but yeah. Bullish setup. Quick 5% on TNXP. Nice. Well done. 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 Yeah, you're getting to this resistance now at 0.75. 0.75 is that big level. VRIX broke downtrend. Yeah. Well, I mean, it has not broken yet. On the 1 minute, it hasn't broken yet. For it to break, it needs to close. The candle needs to close. So if this closes, like that is confirmation of a break there because it closed above. But that is not because it wicked. You see that? It rejected it. Candle closure gives you confirmation that it will or it should continue to go up. 5 minute as well. Yeah, this looks good. Volume's coming in as well. We can see. Yeah, nice. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, looks good. Is there a falling wedge as well? We have here, like this. Here we go. You could use this demand zone if you wanted to. I just don't like using such a high wick, but this was your demand zone like that. So yeah, it was a good setup. And it held $5 psychological. Yeah, this was a nice setup. $5 like that. IMNN, yeah, nothing on this. I'm gonna be watching this. It looks good, looks good. Winner. Let me have a look at winner. Winner's nothing. So low volume, down 5% on Friday, 2% today, basically. To make it very easy for you to understand this chart, just draw from the high, go through. You can have a wick like this, or you can go get many touches as you can. So you can have 1, 2, 3, like 4 here. So at the moment, yeah, maybe possible breakout, but it needs some volume to respect this wedge at the moment, falling wedge. Also, I notice a lot of people when they're starting out to trading, especially in the Discord, I noticed is people are very scared to zoom in to their charts, and that's why theirs doesn't look the same as mine. They have a chart like this for some reason, and they're very zoomed out like this, or they're very zoomed in, right? They don't really know how to use a chart, and that's why you have to practice. When you start practicing on the chart, it's easy. Like this, you cannot chart. Like, look, how are you supposed to identify what's going on? Zoom out of the chart, drag the thing up so you can see the candles and identify clearly what's going on. That's a very clear wedge, right? You have 1, 2 touches here, nice support here as well. So yeah, that's it, you know. ALZN. Let's go Vijay. IMNN, yeah, come on man, this one I want this to go. VRAX needs to hold here. We can just update this level a little bit like this. Looks good. Did I go to college? Yes, I did go to college. I went to college in America. I went to Notre Dame, played college golf. I have 2 degrees, finance degree and computer science. Yeah, SPRC is nice. Anyone take this trade? Very nice on this. Sub $1 lovers, get involved. Looking good. CMND. All right, I'm about to head into Discord. Discord members, please be ready. I'm gonna send out a link. I'm gonna go over some stuff with you guys. CMND. CMND, there's absolutely nothing on this. Nothing. Here, you can use your support here, 117, but nothing at the moment. Low volume. Look at these candles. These candles are extremely low volume, very small. Just cut your loss. I personally would just cut the loss and move on. But you have a gap fill here. Well, I guess there's wick. Just ignore it. But yeah, that's what we have for now. So yes, thank you again, guys, for joining. I really appreciate it. It's good to be back. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. I will see you all. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Discord members, I'll send a link out in a minute just to go over some few things, right? So have a great day, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.